Human trials for a COVID-19 vaccine have begun at Oxford University, the first of its kind in Europe.
But it will take months for results to be released, which will delay fully reopening economies ravaged by the coronavirus pandemic.
Overwhelmed hospitals are just one of many COVID-19 battlefronts. Researchers have been working around the clock to develop a vaccine, a key tool needed by governments to restore battered economies. Oxford University has commissioned a human trial for a vaccine and have recruited hundreds of volunteers to take the shot. The human trial is believed to be the first of its kind in Europe. It involves splitting participants into two groups.
Half of whom get the meningitis vaccine and the other half get the new COVID-19 vaccine. And then we wait to see whether anyone develops the coronavirus infection. And if all of the infections were in the group who received the meningitis vaccine, which doesn't have any protection against coronavirus, and there were no cases in the COVID-19 group, that would be a vaccine which had 100% protection.
But participants will not be deliberately infected with the virus over safety and ethical concerns. The first two volunteers acknowledged the health risks but went ahead.
I think you can never fully exclude any sort of potential risk, but I think you have to, walk in faith in these things. You have to trust in that the work has been done as best they can, and know that the cause is important.
Well, I'm a scientist, so of course I want to try and support science, the scientific process whenever I can. And since I don't study viruses, I felt a bit useless these days, so I felt like this is a very easy way for me to support the cause. Yeah.
A similar trial will begin at Imperial College London in June. The two institutions have received $52 million from the British government, which remains hopeful of developing a vaccine before the end of the year.